gosh, it's hot today. I got a new hair thing. By new hair thing, I mean a new part. Do you see that? Yeah, it's different now. Yeah, I don't know how to segue from that to the point of the video, but we're making a photo wall. It's cheap. It does not require a Polaroid camera, and it looks really good. So as long as you have a computer and a printer, you're all good to go. Let's go. The first thing is placing. You obviously have to decide where you want your photo wall. I was going to put mine up here where my prayer wall is now, because I haven't used this thing in like a year or so. But then I thought about it and I was like, wait, no, I can't do that. I can't replace something that's about God with something that's about me. What kind of message does that send? What does that say about me as a person? And then eventually I just kind of talked myself out of it. So we're gonna leave that there, and maybe I'll get into it again and maybe I won't, but at least I won't be a heretic. Option 2, this lovely blank wall up here by my mirror. Oh look, you can see me, there I am, hello. And my bed. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go straight to Canva. And once you are in Canva, I'm sorry, that was a really weird lip smack there. Once you're in Canva, you're going to go over to the search bar and you're gonna type in Polaroid. Gonna hit one, any template, doesn't really matter. And then once that's loaded, go ahead and open a new tab. So in that new tab, we're gonna click over, we're going to get a new template. I'd like to do one that's roughly printer paper size. That's gonna be about 8.5 times 11 inches. Then you're gonna go and you're going to copy from your Polaroid template here, go on the way back to the other one, and just paste. Boom. Give it the old shrinky dinky, position it, straighten it out a bit. Boop. Get it to roughly the size of a Polaroid-ish, assuming this is a piece of printer paper. And then proceed to paste more. 1, 2, 3. Space them out. And then all you want to do is just double click, delete, double click, delete. Make sure you're double clicking on the photo itself. Oops, there we go. That way it gets the photo and not the whole Polaroid. Then you're left with these blank Polaroids, and what you're gonna do with these, you're gonna go and you're gonna find a picture that you want on your photo wall, like this nice hot dog thing here. Copy that, put it over, and then you can click it over, drag it onto the Polaroid, and bam! Yeah, you can repeat this as many times you want with whatever pictures you want and fill out each of the thing. If you need another page, make another page. As soon as you're done with that, we'll move on to the next step. Yay, so you've got all your photos, now what? Go up to your printer, greet him with a friendly pat. Grab some cardstock. Obviously it doesn't have to be cardstock, just depending on what you've got around, but I find that cardstock works better for Polaroid looking photos. It just gives it that like authentic consistency. But like, again, if you don't have it, that's totally fine. Your photo wall isn't going to explode or anything. Good. And then just stick it on here, as many pieces as you feel like you need. Let the printing begin. So here we are, the final result. You might be thinking, Patience, these are a bit big to be Polaroids, aren't they? And well, yes, yes they are. So you can adjust the size as needed on your, but I think this will do perfectly for my wall, even if it is a little bit tinted. We're going to cut these guys out. Yay, and then here we have all of these and our big blank wall up here and some tape. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do with this tape, you're gonna get a nice slice, just like that. Then you're gonna roll it around until both sides are sticky, just like that. You can go around your thumb. You're gonna press it, smooth it on the back of this, just like that. And then you're gonna do one more over here and do that for each of them, and then you can press it against the wall. Here we are. Take a look at that. Feast your eyes on this beautiful picture wall. So I'm probably gonna go to bed now because it is late. But please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you know anyone who's trying to do a picture wall but doesn't have a Polaroid camera, you could try sending them this video. May all your dreams come true. This is Patience Parrot, signing off.